Okay. So yeah, that's I think that's all. Today I'm just gonna share you me being around nature and enjoying spring. So this is the flowers that I am holding. I don't have allergy. Mmm. It's 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 so. I I like it. I like the smell. I don't have allergy, so it's fine. But I like the smell. Okay. It's so nice. I like it. So yeah. What? Maybe I don't know if I have another thought on my mind. I'm not sure. Um, for today I don't have any thoughts. So you can just you can just hear me yap. You can just hear me talk while I enjoy spring and while I am looking at this flower. So yeah. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna share just a thought that I have lately. Yeah. So sometimes I feel like I still, I still, it's still hard for me to stop comparing myself, especially when I see other girls. They are so pretty and they, I don't know, they are so good looking, and me, I'm not, and I feel so ugly. I don't like how I look. My self esteem is very so bad, and I know that I need to appreciate myself and appreciate how I am made and appreciate the fact that I got my face from my parents, because if I don't appreciate myself, it means that I am not appreciating my parents as well. So I should stop feeling bad of how I look like. But sometimes I still have this thought coming back from on my mind, and I I still kind of compare myself to others, and I don't know, because they are prettier. They look so good. They 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 even dress good, and me, I cannot do this that. They even put makeup very good, and me, I cannot. And I have a friend who told me to uh, like get my nails done, like get my nails done, and I'm like, I never did it. I just use the normal, the normal thing that you put on your nails, that they just last like, I don't know, 3 days or stuff. And yeah, but my friend told me that I have to get my nails done. I mean the real one, those that last longer, maybe 1 month or stuff like that. And I'm like, no, I never did it. I don't know if I can do it. And they said, just do it because it's good on your nails. Here you have pretty nails and stuff. And and yeah, so I said, okay, I'm gonna try it just once. So I'm gonna try to have my nails done. Even though I'm not used to have them. I I'm not that, like other girls who always care of their nails. Yeah. Also because working before, when I was working in kitchen, uh, I needed to cut them. I always need to remove my nails, because it's you cannot have your your nails long, because you are working in kitchen, so you're making food for others, so you cannot have them. And right now, since I don't have a job, I don't work, and I'm not I don't need to cut them. I can just get my nails done, maybe, but maybe just once. I just do it only um when there's an event or stuff, when I have to go in a special event or in a special occasion. I will just do it on my own, but I never did it in a in a sh- in a place where they put you that gel stuff, that gel that it lasts longer. And yeah, so I feel like I still compare myself to others because they are so pretty and me not. And I know that I should change that idea. I shouldn't compare myself. I try not to. Maybe I have a pretty side too. Maybe not my face, but something inside. Maybe my personality, I'm not sure. So yeah, I like this. I should, I should, I should. What is that? I should just take this with me on when I come back home. What if I take a picture? I need to take a picture for the thumbnail. Wait. Wait a minute. How do I have my camera with me. So I am gonna take a picture. Uh, bro. Let's see. I'm gonna take a picture. Like, uh, I cannot. I'm not good at taking selfies using my camera. But I need to put this down. Okay. No, not real good. I don't like it. I am gonna cut this part. Probably. I'm gonna cut this part. I am cute. Maybe I'm cute. Oh, maybe I'm not. No. Hmm. I am this. Hmm. Uh, I. I even. I'm bad on taking pictures. Let's see. I didn't. The only another thing. Sorry. Another thing that I hate is I cannot smile. It's hard for me to smile. When people look at me, they can they can feel like they can feel like afraid of me because I don't smile. I don't like smiling. I am weird when I smile. This is gonna be a weird video. I'm sorry. You can skip if you want, and just don't watch it if you want. I I hate this. Um, wait a minute. Ouch. Ugh. Ow. Brr. This is nice. Ugh. Wait. What if I? Uh, 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 I'm. Mm, uh, uh. I don't know how to put my microphone. Okay. So I'm gonna take another picture from this part. Another selfie. This is a good view. Okay. Like, like. Uh. No, I'm not good at taking selfie. I hate it. I'm not gonna take a selfie. This is already 10 minutes. Brrr. I'm freezing. Oh, ow, my bones. I am getting old. Did you hear my bones? I hope not. I hope you didn't hear my bones. Oh. It's already 11 minutes. Okay, I am gonna take a picture with oh, did I? Nice. This is a great shot. Okay, it's blurry. It's not taking. Okay. I'm getting a few shots. Wait. Should I? Ta-da! So you can see me. Ooh. I should do a model. I should model here. But I'm not good. I prefer taking pictures of others because I feel ugly. If I have my friends here, probably I should just take picture already. This is so nice. I like it. The sun, nice view, but I'm still bad at taking pictures. It's against the light, bro. It's automatic, so I'm not good at taking pictures. I should put manual. What if I put manual? No, it's bad in manual. I hope there's nothing here. So yeah. Ooh, nice. My bones. I'm getting old. Nice. Smile. Lord. How many? 2 minutes. What if I so this is the other part of the park. What if I just walk here? What if I walk here or just run like a princess? Like, I'm not even a princess. I don't feel like I'm a princess. Like this. I cannot even run. Sorry. I hope you heard me. See, I'm pretty far. The people are there, and I'm here, isolated. Just isolated, and enjoying my time with you while I'm in nature. So yeah. Oh, it's so cold. My bones. But this part, it should be here. It should be here. I put my microphone in a bad way, sorry. What if... nice. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm sorry. I should go home, probably. But I like this place. So this is another part. I like this place. Ah, it's against the light. Nice. You cannot see me. My things are there. Ah, I forgot to tell you that I just bought my tripod. That's why I can put it where I want. This tripod is very useful. It's very useful. I am enjoying it. I'm enjoying using it. Oh, this is cute. What if I take another selfie here? This video is gonna be so long. I'm sorry. As again, you can skip and just don't watch it. Who cares? It's fine if no one watches my videos, you know. This is just gonna be my journal. I don't even know how to smile, bro. I'm not good at smiling. Can you even hear me? I think yes. My back hurts already. It's so strange how half of my hair is like this, and the half is like that. I'm going home, and I don't know where to go. I'm going there. I'm bringing these things with me. So yeah, it's so cold. It's not really cold, but I can see the fresh air, you know. Not really see, I can feel the fresh air. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going there. Look. Watch me struggle why I am coming back home. I'm going to this path. Ow. I didn't know that my phone is very good. It's still good. Even though I don't have an iPhone, I should buy a new phone. I know. But I'm poor. I don't have money. So I will be using this phone as long as it's still alive. But I really want to change this whenever I have money to buy iPhone. I really want to change phone, but I cannot right now. So it's so sad being poor. Uh oh. How am I? How do I go up here? I think I need to end the video here for real because oh, oh, I can see people. Wait. Okay, I didn't talk because I was shy. Okay, I should end it here. For real. So yeah, goodbye, for real. Or what if I say arrivederci in Italian? It means goodbye. See ya. Arrivederci. Ciao. Ciao.